Okay, let me get on some Brooklyn shit right now. Time to deal with some people cases, so let me deal with their cases. Yeah, okay, it's like 100 gig, you said nobody likes you. I'm just playing my part, not trying to be spiteful. And on the lens said I'm a pretender, but last time I checked, man, I can remember I gave birth to something you could depend on. Something I live, what I put the pen on. Natural born leader, yeah, I put my men's on. So who you think they speak for, you bitches, is dead wrong. And I'm just too headstrong, the gobble of fuckeries. It's hard enough to swallow, watch these bobbleheads touch me. Got a problem when I do me, it's fuck me. So Rampage, I'ma do me regardless, yeah, fuck me. Yeah, that tattoo would tell you who's that dude. No need for inquiries, you see I'm an Aries. And facts prove I'm beyond you rap dudes. So deep when I'm in, I speak, y'all don't hear me. Rambunctious, homies, I'm rambunctious. Can't function, homies, I can't function. On some turn up, yeah, you got assumptions of me and your mom being one thing. Sea breeze, saltfish, ackee and dumplings. Mama kicked that plate up, them boys is getting ate up. And I ain't even caring, I'm like 4 or 5 grades up. Even with a John, you ain't holding weight up. Brother and your moms, man, you ain't holding weight up. I'm on another level, man, I'm telling you like straight up. Don't put your back against the fences and do the shit, man. Louis tremendous, yeah. I got your remedy. Come with like 10 of me. I am an entity. This is just freestyle. This is the wall in me. This how it gotta be. I cannot be easily flown off the beat, thrown off the beat. This so complete. Goddamn, I throw them hoes off they feet. I got a Rican, I'm hitting for the weekend. And she like the way I do my. Nah, hush your mouth, brother. Keep your on the undercover. I gotta stop now, cause now I'm getting wild with the mind. But I have to give them a little something. I hope y'all like it. Iceland, continue to support 40 Boys and everything that's hip hop coming out of here. Basically include us. Or we gonna include ourselves, you know? But it's music at the end of the day. Love y'all.
Thanks, my man. Thanks for coming.
Blessings. Be rough. Love y'all.
Peace. And Lou Lefty Hooks. That's what's up.
Shout out, Rocky. Love you too, boy.
Shit.